Okay, you want to make a log like this? You want to make a log like this? Log like this? You want to make a log like this? You can walk through it. You can hide in it. You can roll it. You can roll the log. Roll the log! Hey, can I get a log? You will need glue gun, glue sticks, old dried twigs, scissors, tube, craft moss. Hey, that looks like foam sheet, paintbrush, brown paint, brown paint, brown paint, black paint, maybe white paint, Mod Podge. Take our foam and cut it into strips, just random, not perfect, different sizes, different lengths. Glue it in like this. You can take the glue gun, add extra kind of barky lines, extra barky lines, and you can glue over this to raise it up more. Add some paint, different variations on the paint, put down some dark, and then add some lighter highlights. Glue in some of your twig. The reason it has to be a dried twig is there is still a lot of moisture left inside of a tree that has recently been deceased. So when you try to glue it into your stuff, it might look like it's going to stay there, but the moisture releases kind of and disrupts the seal of the glue. Roll, roll. Just gonna add some craft moss randomly all around every side. Put some little plant stuff, so just random plant stuff like this, whatever you can find. You just glue some in on whatever bottom is going to be on the ground the most. So it's like coming out like that. You can put it on both sides, whatever you want, and you'll end up with something like this. Easy craft project. Get yourself a log. And you gotta coat this in Mod Podge. Coat it in Mod Podge, and you're done. Coat it in Mod Podge, and you're done. Now you got your very own log.